Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video I will explain you how we can use the move command in LSPLC. Let's get started. We will open our XE5000 software and here we will take one external input IX0 and second we will be take the one function and here we will take the move command move and click it OK. And in the next row will be same as this line. We can make it the Control C and Control V and address only just we can change. This I will choose for 1 and this first I will take for the 0. Two move commands we will use and we will verify this move commands with the timer. So next line we will be take one more contact IX0 and next we will be take the one timer TON. When you type you will be get the timer. So in the next line we will take one more contact IX1 and make the link this IX1 with the IX0. What program we made? We make this timer. How this timer works? Yani we are working about the move command, so we will move the value in this timer by the help of this move commands. Two values different we will be moved. We can make more move commands 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many you like to, or depends on your logic. You can use the move commands and only in the one timer. And one output also we will be take to test our move command. This is we can take the QX0 an example and here we will be type the data registers. An example MD0 I will be take for the first my speed to put in the timer and second I will take the MD5 for example, and outside for the moving data we can take the data register MD10. Any data register you can choose, that's nothing issue, but I am choosing MD10 and this MD10 we will be write it on the MD10 in the timer. What we will do, we will write some value at the MD0 and MD5 and after these two values we will be move into the timer. So this program we will be write into the PLC. Go to the online and click it on the right, click OK, again click OK and your program will be start downloading. As this download will be complete, after click on yes, again click OK and go to the monitor. An example, this you can type in the unsigned decimal and here we write for example 2000 means 2 seconds after I need to run my output and second we will need to the 5 seconds after run my same motor, but time this is the different. When I make the IX0 value will be moved 2 seconds into our timer and when I press the IX1 5 seconds will be moved into our timer. So first I will click the IX0 and you can see 5 seconds, 2 seconds move into our timer. And now when second I press IX1 you can see now 5 seconds will be moved in our timer. So this way we can use the move command in the program anywhere when you like to type the different values into a timer or any other command. So you can move your value into the timers, counters, whatever, where you like to be moved, you can move. So as I press the IX1, 5 seconds will be moved, and as I press the IX0, that the 2 seconds will be moved. So hope guys you will be understand about the move command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.